Turbo Machinery Pelton Wheel, and in this lesson we will discuss about the basic difference between Pelton wheel and Francis turbine, and we will I list a lot of criteria here, and this is the information for Pelton wheel and Francis turbine. So this is the picture of Pelton wheel. It can be constructed as big as this one, and this is the picture of Francis turbine that we learned previously. So in terms of turbine type, Pelton wheel is an impulse type water turbine, and Francis turbine is an inward flow reaction turbine. So what is the meaning of impulse type? Impulse type is it's a impulse or a heat from a water jet to the bucket here, and by hitting the bucket it will rotate the wheel. And the reaction turbine means all the blades here will contact with water, and the idea of action and reaction, the water will flow around this area and it will rotate the turbine, so it creates the action and reaction. So we call this is as a reaction turbine, and this is an impulse turbine. And the water head that used in Pelton wheel is normally range between 250 to 1000 meters high, and the operating water head of a Francis turbine range from 40 to 600 meters. And for the runner, the diameter of runner varies from 0.8 to 6.0 meters for Pelton wheel, and the diameters of the runner varies between 0.91 to 10.6 meters. The direction of water flow through the blades. The flow of water is tangential to the runner, hence it is also called as tangential flow impulse turbine. And for Francis turbine, the flow of water through the blade combine both radial and axial flow. The power generated of Pelton wheel is about 400 megawatts, but the power generated by a Francis turbine is about 800 megawatt. The water condition. The water hit blades at certain time that you could see here. Only a certain blade will heated by water and rotate the wheel. And for Francis turbine, we found that all blades always full of water there, as you could see in this diagram. The rate of speed in Pelton turbine changed from 65 to 800 rpm, while the speed of Francis turbine ranged from 75 to 1000 rpm. The discharge required for the working of Pelton wheel is low. However, the medium discharge is required for the working of the Francis turbine. Type of energy. The Pelton turbine uses kinetic energy and convert into mechanical energy. However, the Francis turbine converts potential energy into mechanical energy. So why we say the Pelton turbine here use kinetic energy? Because the potential energy of water is changed into kinetic, changed into the water jet, and the water jet will hit the bucket here. And for the Francis turbine here, we say that the velocity here is influenced by the potential energy, but it's not converted into a water jet. So we assume that it directly convert potential energy into the mechanical energy. The efficiency of Pelton turbine is about 85%, and the efficiency of Francis turbine is about 90%. And if we talk about pressure, we found that the atmospheric pressure at the bucket, and however, in Francis turbine, there are no atmospheric pressure, but the water here will develop its own pressure. So mean the changes in water pressure is occur inside the turbine. In terms of design, we could say that Pelton wheel here does not have casing. means casing is not important. However, in Francis turbine, casing is important to maintain the pressure. And then to control the flow, in Pelton wheel, the nozzle used to control flow rate. However, in Francis turbine, we use guide vane to control flow at inlet.